Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top CoverMe VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online privacy and security. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for CoverMe users? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never accidentally expose your real IP address. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your browsing history or activity. But where they differ, that's what really matters for CoverMe. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for CoverMe needs because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or phishing attempts, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect with friends or family for private communication. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy CoverMe user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any CoverMe user dealing with slow or unstable connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for optimized speeds. This can help route your internet traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that extra speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for CoverMe? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother streaming, quicker downloads, and seamless browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with speeds dipping depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if top-notch speed and extensive security features are your priority for CoverMe. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or a household of internet users. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who wants transparency backed by real-world court proof. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for CoverMe. See you soon.